Oh, hey, it's you. It's me, Abby, and I come with good news. Ellana just released this. It's called an eyebrow line, and it's an eyebrow and eyeliner gel in one. It comes in three different shades: light brown, dark brown, and soft black. With an easy to apply formula, you can get your brows in perfect shape right away, and I'm gonna teach you how. Take your eyebrow brush and mark the parts of your brows. Let's start with the head, the arch, and then the tail. Once you have that in place, go ahead and draw two parallel lines, one at the bottom and one at the top. By the way, you can see how natural that looks like. I'm using the shade dark brown. Once you have those two parallel lines, go ahead and curve from that line on top towards the tail so you can create a natural looking arch. Without adding more, draw a faint line from the head towards the center. Now take a thinner brush and draw hair-like strokes. You can see from this demo how pigmented the eyebrow line is. Then just go ahead and carry on. Continue drawing hair-like strokes until you reach the tail of your brows. You may also opt to fill it in for a more defined brow shape, which means you can use this product for an everyday brow or a glam brow. For your eyeliner, take your smallest angled brush and then just draw your wing. It's less messy drawing your eyeliner this way because you can just shade in your shape and then intensify it after. Super easy from this to this. Go get yours now.